channel. Today we're going to unbox my recent delivery from Amazon, the Coach Women's Citysole Lifestyle Lace-Up Casual. Coach is one of my favorite brands because of its exquisite design, fine leather, lightweight material, the UPS receipt, the manual, and then you have the shoes. What interested me in buying this from the Amazon ads because of the monogram style combined with leather, fine stitching, the suede here, and the leather. The color is ash black. It's neutral. The leather at the back. It's lightweight. Before I bought this, I tried to research and find some reviews. So far, the reviews are good. It's indeed lightweight, so it's comfortable if I wear it throughout the day in the hospital. I think I would love this. I'm excited to wear this. Please don't forget to like this video. Thanks for visiting my channel. Hooray for today!